Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and something very special happened to us yesterday. And here's the thing, you had everything to do with it. And what it is this. seejanedrill reached 100 million views yesterday, and it is absolutely because of you. You support us by watching us. You tell your friends and your families about seejanedrill. You support us on Ko-fi and Patreon. And what I will say is this, I am so grateful to you. And I feel so supported and humbled by that support. So I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. What do I see in the future? And what it is this. That is, I want to take seejanedrill on the road at least 3-4 times a year and reach out and meet you guys where you live, in your city, your town, your village, your country. Just 4 times a year, make you the star. 4 times a year and make you guys the star, and share with others what people have accomplished in their own homes, their projects, and what they've felt challenged by and what they have felt inspired by. And maybe that'll inspire you to, take on that project that maybe you've been a little uncertain of, or you were wondering, can I do it? And when you see other people doing it, just something about it, it just empowers you, makes you realize, well, wait a second. Yeah, I think I can do that. Now, I want to hear from people in the comments below. Comment. Tell me what videos you would like me to do, or some subjects you want me to touch on in the future, and I'll do everything I can to incorporate those videos. This is Leah saying thank you. See you next time.